Want to have fun while increasing productivity? In this video, we will be comparing Tinkercad and AutoCAD, the two great CAD solutions. So let's start with Tinkercad. Tinkercad allows you to make designing your 3D models easier than ever. Just click on a shape, sketch, or a letter, drag it into the workplane, and define the size using its corners. The product is totally free and web-based without requiring any previous knowledge from its users. Tinkercad's advantages include its convenient design, easy to understand working methods, support for AR and 3D printing, making the solution perfect for novices or educational purposes. It works with any browser, offers a wide variety of tutorials and lessons, has a separate page with tips called Learn, and even includes code blocks for parametric designs. Its users praise easy installation and management alongside numerous tutorials teaching how to work with the program. On the other hand, we have AutoCAD. AutoCAD is an industrial CAD software that has been revamped to meet the requirements of engineering and architectural precision. You will be creating geometries, annotating the drawings, designing in 3D, and automating processes through highly sophisticated tools. The software is available for free use by students and a paid for version for professional users. AutoCAD provides customization features, extensive documentations, supports BIM workflows, and has industry standard precision. AutoCAD runs on Windows, Mac OS X, web, and mobile platforms, but has a steep learning curve. For new users to become familiar with the basic operations, they need 9 to 14 days of training, while intermediate skills would require 1 month and advanced 3D modeling could take 3 to 6 months. So, which one wins? Well, Tinkercad takes the win in terms of ease of use, intuitiveness, instant compatibility with 3D printing, and suitability for education, but it doesn't feature advanced functionality that makes it suitable for professionals who need precise engineering design. On the other hand, AutoCAD offers more advanced options but with a higher learning curve, higher price tag, and more professional capabilities. If you want to start creating easily and have fun, Tinkercad is your choice. If you're looking for something more professional and sleek, try AutoCAD. Give them a try and tell us in the comment section below which one you like better.